Many of you might be watching this video because you're looking for something better than the immune modulators that you see out there, especially online. And let me tell you that you're in the right place. I've been in research for the past 5 years, and I've only encountered 2 natural ingredients that are highly effective and they have high quality. These are fucoidan and AHCC. If you don't know what fucoidan is, or if you want to understand more about the mechanism of fucoidan, you can always go back to the videos that I already posted. And also, if you want to learn more about AHCC, I also have a video for you to watch. Although fucoidan is really good for most cancers, I had trouble with some of the liver cancer patients because for some reason fucoidan was not as effective as I expected. That gave me the need and the feeling to go back to research, maybe to find other supplements or other ingredients that can enhance the liver function, especially when they're undergoing chemotherapy or radiation therapy. AHCC, which stands for active hexose correlated compound, is not like a usual mushroom blend that you find in most supplements. AHCC is basically a low molecular weight extract, which is enzymatically, or basically the molecule is broken down into small pieces so that the liver and the immune system can detect it faster, so the body can absorb it even better. Most people don't understand that when it comes to mushrooms, the polysaccharide or the molecule is so big that it's impossible for us to absorb the whole thing inside of us. But AHCC is different. It not only enhances the immune system, but it modulates it, and at the same time, it allows the liver function to be much better. Now that I introduced you to fucoidan and AHCC, you might be wondering, why do I have to take these 2 ingredients? What's so important about the synergy between them? Essentially, fucoidan, as I mentioned earlier, offers you 3 main anti-cancer effects. The first one being apoptosis mechanism, or its activation. The second one is angiogenesis suppression, and the third one is the ability to enhance your immune system. However, when we think about cancer patients in stages 3 and 4, we understand that their immune system is too low and their liver function is damaged by the anti-cancer drugs. Even though they continue their treatment, it doesn't work as they expect. This is why we need to build up their immune system so that the liver function can be regained. In this case, fucoidan alone is not enough. This is the reason why we need to supply AHCC so that the immune system can be enhanced and the liver function can be regained. The cancer patients can regain their balance and they can continue with their treatment and enhance their quality of life.